Okay, so today I want to show you this new kit I got. This is the Jackley model number JK6089-C. Now, we're going to check this out, see how good it looks, and see what you guys think. So like always, feel free to comment on these videos. And let's get it open out of the box. That's pretty nice. Nice case. All the sizes listed on the back. Can you get that? You get all the T sizes up from T3 to T20. Hex keys up to 3.5 millimeter. Flat blade, Phillips blade. And up here we got a triangle blade, 2.0. A triangle type Phillips, which is like a Y blade. We got a U, 2.6. Another star, but it's only a 5-pointed star, 0.8. And this one seems to be a poker of some kind. It's just a point. So let's and then we get the flexible extension and the solid extension. I went for the C because I didn't need a pair of tweezers like what comes in the A. So you can see when you hit this button here, it's spring loaded. So the lid pops open, these pop up. See that? How they pop up? And let's check out the driver. Has a nice spinning top here. It's not a collet, so these just clip in. This is the point blade. Just pop that in. Okay, good holding power on the magnet. See that? So you see when it breaks, it pops. Now I have an old one here. Look at that. The thing always pops out every time the screwdriver gets stuck a little bit. This is one of them goofy brands. You buy it anyway. Same kind, same size bits. Which these are like 3/16 size bits. So they're not your regular 1/4-inch bits. Anyway, you get a whole set of them here. So that's the pointy bit. You can see this triangle bit. I noticed that in a lot of cell phones lately. Can you see it? Anyway, that's a triangle bit. Yeah, so this kit is mainly, it could be for anything, but it has all the special ones you're going to need to take apart cell phones and hard drives and any kind of electronics. Has a whole set of nut drivers, which is pretty nice. Now every one of these bits is stamped on the side here. See, it says JMCRVY 2.0, so that means it's a Y 2.0. And then you know where to put it back at. Has this split bit, like a spanner. And this is the other star one. The star is so small you can't even see it. But it's kind of like a Phillips bit, but in the shape of a star. Man, that is small. And then we have the extensions here. Oh, and I want to say the Torx driver bits have the whole indentation in the back for like security ones. They don't want you to mess with. So these bigger ones have that. The smaller ones could never have it because they're too small. But anyway, they have it. Let's see this flexible shaft. It's pretty nice. You can see it has a spinner there. you could hold it and turn it like that, so, which is pretty nice. Let's put a bit in there, see what it acts like. Okay, it's nice. I like it. Then we have the stiff extension. This makes a pretty nice screwdriver. And you can put any of these bits in there. So it works, it's nice. It's a nice set. So the bottom line is, I like this set. You guys probably will too. Leave a link for it on the bottom if you want to try it out. Check it out for yourself. A nice set like this, what do you think it would cost? $10. $10. They have a different model, like Dash A might have the tweezers instead of the flexible extension, and the Dash B I think might have a tweezers and just the flexible extension. So there's 3 different models that you could choose from. And thanks for watching this video.